Hi, my name's Carly McHenry. I'm a senior. I'm going to school for kinesiology after I graduate, which should be in the next year because I'm going to go get my master's. I want to be a athletic trainer at either a high school or in a college, preferably college. Um, some things you can know about me: I played basketball at ETBU for a year, 2 years actually, and then I played at Angelina College for a year. Um, I have a dog named Willow. She's a year old. I have a brother who actually teaches at SFA. He's getting his master's. He's doing the program there where he can teach several classes. I am 22. I live in Center, Texas. I was born in Nacogdoches. Um, I like to read. I enjoy spending time with my friends. Um, the reason why I chose athletic training is because I still want to be around basketball, even though I'm done playing basketball and I really miss it a lot. So, being able to have a major that keeps me around the sport that I love, that I grew up loving, actually means a lot to me. So, I'm really hoping I can be at college at some point and hopefully later on somewhere even bigger than that. Um, but yeah, I'm excited about this year and I hope to meet all of you and hope that this year is great and the COVID doesn't last too much longer.